Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your default web browser on a Mac. So if you're not a fan of Safari and prefer using Chrome, Firefox, Brave, or any other browser, here's how to make the switch. Let's dive right in. Start by clicking the Apple logo at the top left corner of your screen, then choose System Settings. If you're using macOS Monterey or an older version, it might say System Preferences. No worries. The steps are nearly identical. Once you're in, look on the left-hand menu and scroll down until you find Desktop and Dock. Click it. Now, over on the right side, scroll down until you see Default Web Browser. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see all the browsers currently installed on your Mac, like Safari, Google Chrome, Firefox, or others. Just choose the one you want as your default. Once you click it, you're all set. Your Mac will now open all web links using your chosen browser. Here's a quick tip. If your favorite browser isn't showing up, it's probably not installed yet. Just head to the official website, download and install it, then come back to this menu and try again. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more simple Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.